Hello children, welcome back to PNMRC e-learning classes. Now let's start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 11, food production and storage. And our first topic is about food production. The food that we eat comes from crops that farmers grow in fields and animals reared on farms. So children, the food which we eat, it has been grown by the farmers in the field and animals reared on farms. Farmers grow different kinds of crops depending on the climate and the soil of their area. So the farmers grow the crops according to the climate and also the type of soil of that area. Growing crops and rearing animals on a large scale for food is known as agriculture. Now what is agriculture? Growing crops and rearing animals on a large scale for food, that is called agriculture. There are different kinds of farmers. Now we will learn about the different types of farmers. Subsistence farmers are able to grow just enough crops to fulfill the needs of their household. So children, the first farmers we are learning is about the subsistence farmers. Now these farmers, they grow crops only for their needs, for their household purpose. They are often very poor and do not always manage to meet their family's needs. So children, subsistence farmers, they grow their crops only for their needs and they are often very poor in condition and they do not always manage to meet their family needs. Now next is commercial farmers. On the other hand, grow crops on a large scale which they sell in the wholesale markets or mandis for profit. So next is the commercial farmers. They grow crops and sell them in the wholesale market or mandis for their profit. They are able to produce large quantities of crops by using modern machinery and fertilizers. So commercial farmers, for their crops, they use the modern technology and fertilizers. Certain crops like tobacco, cotton and groundnuts are bought at high rates by factories for making different products like oil, cigarettes, fabrics, etc. So certain crops like tobacco, cotton and groundnut, they are bought at high rates by the factories for making the oil, cigarette, fabrics, etc. Farmers who rear poultry like hens and ducks for eggs and meat are called poultry farmers. So the farmers who are poultrying hens and ducks for eggs, they are called poultry farmers. Those who raise cows and buffaloes for milk, butter and cheese are called dairy farmers. So what is dairy farmers? They raise the cows and buffaloes for milk and butter and cheese. They are called dairy farmers. Cattle which are reared for their milk are known as milch cattle. Horticulturists grow fruits like apples, oranges, etc. So the farmers who grow fruits like apples and oranges, they are called horticulturists. Pisciculturists rear freshwater and saltwater fish and prawns for our consumption. So here pisciculturists, they rear freshwater and saltwater fish and prawns for our consumption. Apiculture is the rearing of bees for honey in special places called apiaries. So apiculture, they rear the bees for honey in a special places. Mixed farming involves both growing of crops and rearing of animals. So mixed farming is also there, and in mixed farming both the farming is done, growing of crops and also rearing of animals. So children, we have completed our first part from the chapter number 11 and we will continue in the next video. Till then, Take care, children.